the long range of the Mustang made capable by some very special papier-mâché type drop tanks, giving it an extra 216 gallons of fuel, allowed it to escort the bombers all the way to their targets and back.
85 gallons on the pilot. They carry like 400 gallons of gas on it. It's almost the same. My dad's airplane carries like 2.5 times as much gas, but instead of burning 60 gallons an hour, they burn 400, 300.
Now we see out in the back course, out on the back stretch, you see the first 4 Mustangs. They came over in what is called a finger 4 formation. Very easy to describe. If you take your hand, stick it up in the air in front of you with your palm away from you, tuck your thumb in, and your 4 fingers then will show you the formation that they're flying in. With the lead aircraft being your middle finger, the ring finger and your index finger being number 2 and 3, and your pinky finger being number 4. They may also set up in a diamond formation a little later when the number 4 aircraft, the pinky finger, will move in between the other 2 wingmen, 2 and 3, and slightly below and behind the leader. There was also another formation that they flew called echelon, or all to one side. There was another one called line abreast, where all 4 made a straight line formed up on the leader, looking 90 degrees to the right and to the left to stay in formation and in proper position with the leader. As the Mustangs come around, I'm gonna turn the sound system off, and we're gonna listen to the sound of these Merlin engines, these Packard-built Merlin engines, as Bob Hoover would always say. As Bud was telling us, their job was to escort the bombers in the daring daylight raids that were conducted over Europe that was held largely by the Germans. And it was the job of those aircraft, those bombers, to try to bring an end to Germany's capability of waging war by stopping